Oh, the Nexus. My phone has fallen into that place between seats where nothing ever comes back. Oh, wait, I got it. Okay, we're good.
Today is the first day of teardown. So what I'm gonna do this morning is we're gonna start from the front, move to the back. There's where we're at so far. Not bad for an hour or so's worth of work. On to taking the hood off next, I guess, and then away with the fenders. So I've got a good chunk of this torn down now. Most of the bolts I've taken out across the top. There's a bunch of guys in there too. Over at the corner here, over in between the doors. So basically what goes on next is the fun part. So all the bolts that are in here on the wheel well have to come off as well. Be interesting. Looks to me like it's rusted off in some spots, and there's a couple down at the bottom too underneath, so we'll get at that. Right, after a lot of messing around, she is, I believe, there we go, done, one fender gone. Now, lots of mystery on that one, but I think the other side will be a lot easier now that I know where all the bolts are. So, get this out, on to the next. Okay, fender number 2 down. Like I said, much easier than the other one, now that I got the hang of it. Took me less time. Big help. There. Fun. So there you have it, all done. Front end's taken off. It's just kind of a matter of picking away at the other parts now, pulling off everything on the firewall, and we'll pull off some doors, maybe a seat, and then we're just about ready to go. Oh, and then we got to pull out the steering column and take off steering gearbox and whatnot. then yeah, I mean, once we get this cabin, this box off, it's going to be great. And here's our junk pile of all the parts that we pulled off today too. They'll all go back to the farm. I think Doug wants them. Made sure I put all my nuts and bolts in a pail in case they needed something at some point. It might come in handy. And then, yeah, that's it.